Hey guys, welcome back. So the markets stopped crashing for the past 2 days. Hopefully you had some fun with your girlfriend in these past 2 days and you are in a better mood now, or with your boyfriend. We don't discriminate anyone here. In this video I want to talk about the two different group of coins, because right now every single coin is bouncing hard, and every single coin, or I should say almost every coin, looks like it's recovering, right, from this downtrend, from this crash. Every coin is bouncing hard. So many people think that everything, the market as a whole, is recovering, but you need to have in consideration that some coins are only bouncing within a downtrend, and some coins are still uptrending, and they are expected to do higher highs and higher lows. So to show this difference, I'm going to use two charts: the chart for Bitcoin and the chart for EOS. And as you can see, I'm using the one-day candle for both of these charts. So I have here the chart for Bitcoin versus US dollar. These are the one-day candles, and you can see very clearly by drawing just a couple of trend lines here from the high to the high, and then copy paste this line and put it down below here from the low to the low. And you can see how Bitcoin is in a beautiful downtrend here, and it's only bouncing at the bottom of this downtrend. If we draw one more line here, we copy paste this line and we put it down here where we find obvious resistance. We can see this line was resistance in this candle, in this candle, in this candle, and all this time here. So this is a very obvious resistance. So I anticipate that Bitcoin will continue to go up during today's candle here, up until $13,300 more or less. This is for Bitfinex. It'll be a little bit different in other exchanges, but in this specific chart I expect Bitcoin to continue to go up today until it touches this line here, and then from here at the level of 13,300 more or less, start to go sideways until it decides if it breaks out this line or not. So the message is, it's not safe to buy and hold Bitcoin. It was not safe to buy this dip and hold. This doesn't mean it's not going to recover. I don't have the 100%, there's no such thing as 100% probability when you do technical analysis, but the probability is higher for Bitcoin to continue to downtrend than not recover. The first confirmation you would want to see on Bitcoin before you actually think about Bitcoin recovering is if the price of Bitcoin can break above this resistance line here, and it can actually start closing daily candles above this line. This would be confirmation number one of a recovery, of a possible recovery, I should say. Ideally, you would want to wait for 3 confirmations before you actually go long in anything, in any market. So breaking through this resistance line and closing daily candles above this line would be confirmation number 1. Then you would want to see 2 more confirmations in other technical indicators, for example the RSI being bullish and the volume being bullish, for example, and there you would have 3 confirmations. But the very first confirmation you want to wait for is until the price it actually breaks above this resistance line here. It doesn't matter that you miss out in profits here. It doesn't matter that you didn't enter here and you're going to miss out 20% profits. It doesn't matter. You don't want to make 20% more and risk losing a lot more. Now we can see the difference here on the chart for EOS, and again these are the one-day candles. If we draw a very simple trend line here from this high to this high and extend it a little bit, and then we just copy and paste this line and put it down below here, we can see how EOS is in a beautiful uptrend, and it just bounced at the bottom of this uptrend, which means EOS is expected to continue this uptrend, because you always need to assume continuation until you have confirmations of something different, but we don't have any confirmations. EOS is in an uptrend. The first confirmation you would want to see before you think that EOS is going bearish would be if the price of EOS breaks below this support line and it starts to close daily candles below this support line. If EOS starts to close below this line, that would be confirmation number 1 of that the uptrend came to an end and it's not uptrending anymore. It doesn't mean it's gonna go bearish. It could just go sideways as well. So that would, it would be no reason to sell, even if it starts to close below this line, because it might just go sideways. The first sell confirmation would be if it goes below the previous low. So if it goes below this line here, which is at $7.50, if it goes below $7.50, then that would be your stop loss. I would then I would be selling if it goes below this, but it's very far from that, and so far it's perfectly uptrending. So EOS is one of these 4 coins I talked about in my previous premium video. I bought 4 different coins during this dip here, during this dip, but now, guys, is not the time to buy, you know, any coin and hold. It's not the time to do that. That time has passed. That time was here when Bitcoin broke 5,000. Since Bitcoin broke 5,000 up until here, you could buy basically any coin and hold, and you would be making money. It was the time to make easy money. Many people were making a lot of money here, and many people, they think they're genius because they are making money in such bullish conditions. Any monkey can make money here. No one is losing money. Why? Because no one is selling. Therefore, the prices continue to go up. But the situation has changed now, guys. Now the situation is much more complicated, and now you cannot buy anything and hold and expect to continue to make money like before. No, no, no. Now is the time when you have to start doing some serious technical analysis and some serious research before you put your money into, you know, any coin in the market. It's not the time to buy any coin. It's time to buy only some specific coins, the ones that are uptrending. EOS is one of them. So guys, I hope the concept is clear. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.